Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to write text on an image in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To write text on an image in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open the document with the image. This is the image. I want to write text on this image. Right click on the image and click on image options. Expand the text wrapping and select behind text. I'm typing IT admin. If you want, you can or if you can move the text. This is a way to write text on image. Now I'm going to show you another way to write text on an image. Click on Insert tab, then click on Drawing, click on New. Just click on Shape and select a shape. Now create a box and then click on Text box. Now I can type my text here. Click on the fill color and select transparent, and then click on the border color and select transparent. Now click on save and close, and look, the text is added. You can resize the text as you wish, and you can move the text from one place to another place. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.